Good morning. It's August 11th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. A groundbreaking development in cancer treatment has emerged from researchers at King's College London. They have unveiled a new drug, KCLHO-1I, which shows promise in enhancing chemotherapy effectiveness by targeting a protective mechanism utilized by tumors. Professor James Arnold explained that KCLHO-1I functions by targeting an enzyme produced by macrophages, potentially enabling immune cells and chemotherapy drugs to work more effectively together. This research addresses a critical gap in current chemotherapy treatments, as highlighted by Professor James Spicer, who noted the drug's potential as a companion therapy. Chemotherapy often fails because the body's immune cells can act as barriers to treatment. This underscores the importance of complementary therapies like KCLHO-1I. Early tests published in the journal *Science Translational Medicine* demonstrated that KCLHO-1I could increase the responsiveness of breast cancer tumors to various chemotherapy regimens. Plans are underway to begin human patient trials, particularly focusing on breast cancer, within the next 2 years. This study reflects a collaborative effort among professors James Arnold, James Spicer, and Miraz Rahman, showcasing a multidisciplinary approach to advancing cancer treatment. To further develop KCLHO-1I, the team has established a spin-out company named Athox Therapeutics, aimed at advancing the research and application of this promising drug. A recent study suggests that blowing through a conch shell, known as shank blowing, may offer relief for individuals suffering from obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. This presents a potential alternative to traditional treatments like CPAP machines, which many find uncomfortable. Dr. Krishna K. Sharma from the Eternal Heart Care Center in Jaipur, India, led the study, which indicates that shank blowing can strengthen the upper airway muscles that are prone to collapse in OSA patients. Conducted between May 2022 and January 2024, the research involved 30 participants aged 19 to 65 with moderate OSA. Participants were divided into 2 groups. One practiced shank blowing while the other engaged in deep breathing exercises. Both groups practiced for at least 15 minutes, 5 days a week, over a 6-month period. The results showed that those who practiced shank blowing reported being 34% less sleepy during the day and experienced 4 to 5 fewer apneas per hour compared to the deep breathing group. This study is particularly relevant as new research links OSA to an increased risk of lung cancer, underscoring the need for effective treatments. However, Dr. Erica Kennington from Asthma and Lung UK cautioned that the small sample size of the study necessitates further research to confirm these promising results and understand the mechanisms behind the benefits of conch blowing. Professor Sofia Sheetza highlighted the importance of exploring new treatment options for OSA that can complement existing therapies. Following these encouraging initial findings, researchers are planning a larger follow-up trial across multiple hospitals to further investigate the efficacy of shank blowing as a treatment for OSA. Scientists at Goethe University Frankfurt have achieved a major milestone by capturing the quantum dance of atoms for the first time. This groundbreaking work was conducted using the European XFEL X-ray laser facility in Hamburg, Germany, the largest of its kind in the world. The researchers utilized ultra-short X-ray laser pulses to observe the dance of atoms in a molecule called iodopyridine, which consists of 11 atoms and features 27 different vibrational modes. Led by Till Janke, this experiment marks a significant advancement in the observation of atomic motion, capturing unprecedented detail through advanced laser technology. The team was surprised by the precision of their measurements, which opens new avenues for studying how quantum fluctuations influence molecular behavior during chemical reactions. Future experiments are planned to extend this research to observe electron movements within molecules, enhancing our understanding of molecular processes. Researchers aim to adapt their methods to explore the jiggles of electrons and apply their findings to larger molecular systems. They also plan to capture the faster choreography of electrons, with intentions to create short films of molecular processes using their developed COLT-RIMS reaction microscope. The experimental data was initially collected in 2019, with the realization of zero-point motion occurring 2 years later through collaborations with theoretical physicists. These findings provide new insights into quantum phenomena by enabling direct observation of complex zero-point motion patterns in molecules, showcasing the effectiveness of the COLTRIMS reaction microscope. The research team discovered that atomic fluctuations follow a synchronized pattern, indicating a choreographed movement among the atoms. Specifically, they observed zero-point motion in iodo-pyridine, revealing that atoms vibrate in coupled patterns rather than individually. The measurement technique used, known as Coulomb explosion imaging, involves creating controlled explosions within the molecule, allowing for high-resolution imaging of molecular structures as the atoms are propelled apart. Messenger RNA, or mRNA, has emerged as a groundbreaking genetic instruction molecule that enables cells to produce proteins, revolutionizing drug development for various medical needs. The success of mRNA vaccines during the COVID-19 pandemic, which demonstrated around 95% efficacy, has paved the way for innovative therapies, including potential treatments for cancer and vaccines for other diseases. Key breakthroughs in this field include the development of lipid nanoparticles for effective delivery of mRNA, as well as modifications that reduce immune reactions. These advancements have allowed mRNA technology to transition from experimental phases to mainstream therapeutic applications. Looking to the future, researchers envision combination mRNA vaccines that could streamline immunization against multiple pathogens in a single shot, simplifying vaccination processes for patients. Currently, clinical trials are underway for mRNA cancer vaccines targeting melanoma, breast cancer, and other types, showing promising results that indicate significant improvements in patient outcomes. Beyond oncology, mRNA therapy is being explored for rare genetic diseases, offering a novel approach by providing instructions for producing missing or defective proteins within patients' own cells. Research is also ongoing into using mRNA to tackle autoimmune disorders by inducing immune tolerance, which presents a new strategy for conditions such as multiple sclerosis. Furthermore, mRNA vaccines are being developed for a range of infectious diseases beyond COVID-19, including influenza, HIV, and RSV, with the potential for rapid updates and enhanced efficacy compared to traditional vaccines. Research indicates that studying dogs with cancer could significantly enhance our understanding of human cancer. This is largely due to shared environmental exposures and similar cancer pathways between dogs and humans. To explore this connection, researchers are employing silicone tags to monitor chemical exposures in dogs living near the East Palestine derailment site. The goal is to identify genetic changes linked to cancer that could inform both canine and human health. Dogs serve not only as research subjects, but also as environmental sentinels, helping to detect harmful chemicals in their surroundings that may pose risks to both species. Notably, several cancer therapies initially developed for dogs are being adapted for human use, including advanced immunotherapies and targeted drug therapies. This cross-species application of therapies underscores the potential for shared advancements in cancer treatment. Clinical trials in dogs can yield results in as little as 5 years, which is a stark contrast to the decades often needed for human trials, thus accelerating the development of new therapies. Moreover, dogs develop cancer more quickly than humans, allowing researchers to test new treatments and gather data at a much faster pace. This collaborative research not only deepens scientific knowledge, but also provides dogs with access to advanced cancer care that may not otherwise be available. Ultimately, the study of canine cancer contributes to both scientific advancement and the health of dogs, offering improved treatment options that benefit their owners as well. This has been your daily brief in science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates via email at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.